What's up YouTube? Today I have a new product. It's called the Gem Box by Emtec. As you can see in my description, you will have a link and where to buy. It looks just like this. It's for Android. Has the Android marker, Android Play. As you can see, it comes with 4 games in it, and you can download more from the Google Play Store. And as you can see, it has a micro SD port, USB port, Ethernet, and HDMI. Connects. You got YouTube. You can stream. Also, it just comes with the remote in the box. Now, you will have 1 month membership to GameFly. Basically, it's PC games that you download into your thing. It looks just like this. This is your remote. That's the box. The 4 games that are included right there. And let's get it open. This video will be cut into 2. I don't like making very long videos, so we cut into 2. The first part will be basically the unboxing of the system, and the second part will be the connection and a gameplay. Okay, let's get the box open. Comes with tapes on both sides. Get them open. Okay, first of all, comes with your manual. Tells you everything you need to know about the system, about the remote and everything. Okay, the remote comes wrapped up nicely. This is your remote. It looks just like a Xbox One remote. As you can see, you got the RB, LB, all the same thing. You got it lined up the same way. You're charging, same exact thing. You have the same interlock knobs. Now the other thing that's different is in the bottom you have the power, you have the remote, and you have a mouse. So basically you can move this around like a mouse. So that is the remote. Okay, now you have your little box. It's very small, pretty nice. Get it open. As you can see, back side will have your power, your HDMI, your Ethernet port. If you're gonna run it with wire, if not, you can run it wireless. One of the sides has a USB and a micro SD for memory. And then you have your power button on top. Very nice, very small. Now your box, you get an HDMI wire. As you can see, you have your power, and there's an outlet comes right off, so you will slide it on. Just like that. You have an Ethernet port, and final, you have your charger for your controller. Well, that is part 1 done. If anything, like and subscribe. In my description there is a link where to buy. And this is just part 1. Part 2 is coming up. Thanks for watching.